Good morning, students. Welcome in pharmacognosy lecture. Today I will start the remaining part of cultivation and collection and preparation of the crude drug for the market. In last lecture discussed about the digitalis. What is collection and preparation of crude drug for the market as exemplified by digitalis. Now see the today's part of Senna. Collection and preparation of the crude drug for the market as exemplified by Senna. Firstly, see the synonym. What is the synonym of Senna? Synonym of Senna are Senna leaf, Sennaifolium, Sennae की पत्ती, Tineville Senna and Cassia Senna. Then biological source of Senna. It consists of dried leaflet of the Cassia angustifolia or Cassia senna wall belonging to the family Leguminosae. Then it contains not less than the 1% of the weight by weight of sinucide A and B calculated on dried basis. Okay, now see the main point of this drug, that is cultivation, collection and preparation. Okay, in India 25,000 hectares of the land is under the cultivation of the senna in India, then producing about the 22,500 tons of the leaves and 7,500 tons of the fruit per annum. Then senna is a family mainly cultivated in the Tineville, Ramnathpuram district and their adjacent areas in Tamil Nadu state, and it is exported by the ships of Tuticorin port. Then senna is the small shrub of 0.5 meter having compound peripinnate leaves, and each leaf has got 5 to 7 pairs of the leaflets. Then for the cultivation, generally red loamy or coarse gravelly soil is selected, but it also grow on the alluvial loamy soil. Before sowing, the land is plugged twice, then harrowed and leveled. First showing is done in the February to March, while second showing is carried out in the October to November, that is after rain. Then normally the showing is done by the broadcasting method. For the earlier germination, the seed surface is abraded or triturated with the sand. About 15 to 25 kilogram of seeds are required per hectare of the land. Then and seeds are shown thinly. The plant are grown as a semi-irrigated or light irrigated crop. Heavy irrigation, water lodging, etc. are avoided. Also, the plant cannot be survive at a very low temperature. The plant are allowed to grow for the about 5 months till the growth of flower stalk occurs. Then, due to the cutting given to flower stalk, the further branching occurs through though it is a leguminous plant. Still, the application of the nitrogenous fertilizers is beneficial because of lack of the root nodules. Then after the 2 to 3 months showing, the harvesting of the leaves is done in 3 stages. First is the plucking is done when the leaflets are thick, then full grown and greenish in color after 1 month. Then second plucking is done and last plucking is carried out after the 4 to 6 weeks. The last plucking is carried out after 4 to 6 weeks. Normally the plant are uprooted after third plucking of leaves. It is observed that the contents of the sinucide in a leaves is maximum when they are fully grown and goes on the decreasing along with the maturation of the pods. Senna crop, which is taken after the rice crop on the same land in same season, then gives best yield, and senna grown on the dry land without proper irrigation gives poor result. Then after the collection, the leaflets are dried under the shade or indoor by spreading them in a thin layer. Drying takes place within 7 to 10 days and leaves shown yellowish green color. The leaves are two separate pods. They are then packed into the bales under the hydraulic pressure. Then pressing the leaves under the hydraulic press produces then transverse line on its leaves which are absent in the Alexandrian senna leaves. During the storage, the drug should be protected from the light, but generally it does not lose a potency at least up to 5 years. About 1,200 kilogram of leaves and pods are obtained in the 1 hectare of irrigated land and 700 kg of the drug from the rain-fed land. Okay, here are the Indian senna twig and here are the Indian senna leaflet. Upper diagram is the Indian senna twig and below is the Indian senna leaflet. Okay, these all are about the Indian senna, that cultivation, collection and preparation of the senna. Okay, now I will stop here. Thank you.